Everyone, this video is on actinomycetes, a very important topic. Though actinomycetes topic directly may not be so important, but the pathogens, organisms, the species of actinomycetes which cause very dangerous diseases to the mankind. That's why this topic is very important. So next one is here see study material for study material, presentation slides, question bank and online test. You better mail to bankofbiology at gmail.com whether you get, though you may get YouTube videos on the share knowledge channel, but you may not get all these things at one place. For that reason you can get it from Google Classroom. uh, so you can mail to bankofbiology at gmail.com. So here the word actinomycetes came from two important words. One is actin, that means ray, mucetes means fungi. So actinomycetes means the bacteria which looks like a fungus. Fungus like bacteria are called actinomycetes. So it has a mycelia or hyphae just like that of a bacteria, sorry, just like that of a fungus. Because of the continuous fissions, continuous divisions, they give the fungus hypha like structures. That's why we call, so like here this is a mushroom. Actually it has a mycelium or hyphae, but this bacterium doesn't have mushroom like outgrowths, but hyphae like this, a chain of cells. That's why they are named as actinomycetes. Actinomycetes are prokaryotes. That's why they belong to the kingdom Monera, because we know they do not have a true nucleus. Genetic material DNA is present in cytoplasm without protein coat, without chromosomes, without nuclear membrane. They are prokaryotes. That's why they are classified under the kingdom Monera. Next one is they have branched filaments. We have already discussed that they have branched filaments just like that of a fungus. So here you can see the fungus, the white felt like growth. So actinomycetes branched filaments. Next one, they are saprophytes. We know saprophytes, the organisms which depend on dead and decaying organic matter, are called saprophytes. They are decomposers. That means that they decompose, they convert organic matter into mineral nutrient. They are useful for recycling of the organic matter. In the soil, they produce a brown colored soil called humus. Humus is nothing but a brown colored soil with organic matter, rotten organic matter. So these hyphae, they produce a humus in the soil. Next one is they give characteristic odor to soil after rains. We get some pleasant odor, pleasant smell from the soil after the rains. That is due to the action between the rainwater and the fung and the bacterial filaments. So this characteristic odor to soil after rains is due to actinomycetes. So the gram positive bacteria, we know that gram bacteria are of two kinds. One is gram positive bacteria, another one gram negative bacteria. On the basis of the cell wall material, see the cell wall of positive bacteria is thinner. So you can see here they are very thin, and here this is a thicker. So this is a thinner cell wall with no any additional like this is gram negative bacteria. So actinomycetes are included in gram positive bacteria. So this we shall discuss in other video, what is the main difference between gram positive and gram negative bacteria. So next one is In the bacterial cell wall, one acid is present that is called a mycolic acid. Mycolic acid or mycobacterium, especially mycobacterium, consists of mycolic acid. Here you can see in the cell wall. So mycolic acid is present. So next characteristic feature is that they exhibit aerobic respiration. Here respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. In the presence of oxygen, respiration. So complete oxidation of food materials takes place here. So next characteristic feature is they show asexual reproduction, wherein during the sexual reproduction the propagation is due to conidiospores and sporangiospores. So the exogenously born, the spores which are formed outside the body of the bacterium are called conidiospores. Another is a sporangiospores also. So here this fungus has one structure called sporangium. If spores are formed inside the sporangium, we call them as a sporangiospores. So two kinds of spores are produced in the domain actinomycetes. One is corydiospores, another is sporangiospores. So next thing is on the culture plates in the laboratory. If you grow actinomycetes actinomycetes bacterium, they give radiating colonies. That's like this. The radiating colonies will be like this. So radiating means a straight ray like colonies like this. Radiating colonies characteristic feature of actinomycetes. Fried egg-like cultures we have seen in mycoplasma. In the same way here we get radiating colonies. Next one is Mycobacterium leprae. This species, actinomyces species, cause a leprosy. That is, a leprosy means a formation of lesions, formation of tumorous outgrowths, and malformation or disfiguration of the body. This disease is called leprosy. This disease is called leprosy disease. This leprosy disease, this is caused by an actinomyces species called Mycobacterium leprae. So next one, the most dangerous disease, that is like tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. See here, like this is a lungs disease. So on the lungs, tubercles or tumorous outgrowths will be formed. That's why it is called tuberculosis. This is the Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacterium. So it is actually generally detected through X-rays. TB we generally called is a TB. So in active tuberculosis infection, person may experience chronic cough with blood containing mucus, a very dangerous disease. A lot of people are dying in developing countries due to this disease. This belongs to actinomycetes. Next one, Corynebacterium diphtheria. It is a throat infection. So like this, in the throat, so bacterium cause infection. One vaccine, triple antigen vaccine called DPT, diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. This triple antigen vaccine is given to children. Diphtheria vaccine or DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus vaccine. So another one here is a Nocardia maduri, a Madura foot disease. This is also this actinomycetes disease. So here malformation, disfiguration of a foot and hands, arms may take place. This is also a very bad disease. This is called Madure because this disease was first recognized and noticed in Madura region of India. So we call Nocardia madure. So next one, this actinomycetes bacterium is famous for production of different kinds of antibiotics. We have already know antibiotic means one chemical which is produced from one microorganism that is harmful to the other microorganism is called antibiotics. These antibiotics, we know the penicillin was the first antibiotic. Antibiotics are useful for killing disease causing bacteria in the body. For example, Streptomyces gracius. From this bacterium we get streptomycin. Cycloheximide, first cycloheximide antibiotic. In the same way, Streptomyces venezuelae, that gives chloramphenicol antibiotic. Streptomyces fradiae, from this we get a neomycin antibiotic. So next, Streptomyces rhamnosus, from that we get oxytetracycline vaccine. So Streptomyces canamyceticus, from that we get a kanamycin antibiotic. Streptomyces nodosus, from there we get amphotericin antifungal antibiotic. So if you want study material, presentation slides, question bank and online test, you please mail to bankofbiology@gmail.com. Let us revise the topic once. Actinomycetes, they are the fungus bacteria, fungus like bacterium comes under actinomycetes. Actin means ray, mycetes means fungi. They give ray like colonies or radiating colonies, and they have fungus like mycelium. So next one, actinomycetes are prokaryotes, and that's why they are included under the kingdom Monera. They have branched filaments, they are saprophytes, they are decomposers, they convert organic matter into humus, they give characteristic odor after rains. So next thing is that they are gram-positive bacteria. Her cell wall is a thinner with respect to that of gram-negative bacteria. Next one is they consist of mycolic acid compound in their body cell walls, especially in a mycobacterium. So next one, they are aerobic. They show aerobic respiration. The respiration is in the presence of oxygen. So complete oxidation of food materials takes place during a respiration. So they are reproduced through asexual reproduction. Two kinds of spores are seen in actinomycetes. One is conidiospores, another sporangiospores. They give radiating colonies on culture plates in the laboratories. The Mycobacterium leprae cause leprosy. Mycobacterium tuberculosis cause tuberculosis or TB. Corynebacterium diphtheria causes diphtheria disease, but that is mostly controlled due to DPT vaccine. Nocardia madura, it causes madura foot disease. So actinomycetes bacteria gives different kinds of antibiotics like Streptomyces gracius gives streptomycin. Streptomyces venezuelae gives a chloramphenicol. Streptomyces fradiae gives a neomycin. Streptomyces rhamnosus gives oxytetracycline. Streptomyces canamyceticus gives kanamycin. Streptomyces nodosus gives amphotericin